Hey, how's it going? I've been doing a lot of flat bottoms lately, and I got tired of freehanding the flat bottoms by holding a piece of rod or a paddle and everything, so I decided to come up with an idea to do flat bottoms from small sizes to large sizes. Here I'm working with 54mm OD, and just yesterday I flat bottomed some 150mm OD, and it worked great, but I thought I'd share this with you. Hope you enjoy. What I did was I just used my crossfire here, my rod for this, and I made a piece I swivel on here, so you can go like this, and I'll show you more when I'm doing the actual work. But if you look from the top, I put this wedge piece on here so I can use different sizes, and I can rotate it from the bottom and turn it in any direction I want to. I'll go and demo this now. So what is really nice about this is you can still use your crossfire right here and leave this here while you're using it. You can go over here, heat your work, come back and flatten this. So all I do is, when I'm not using it, I push it out of the way. When I come in, I just line it up on the center, right, like so.